What's up, Danny Builds followers? Today we're building custom clamps for parts up to 45 centimeters. So for this clamps project I'm about to use a square tubing 2mm thick steel, mild steel. I have already drilled one. Then as you can see I started with marking 2 centimeters and then 9. Sounds a bit like Glorious Bastards, but yeah, that's what the centimeters are. So this will accommodate the first stop, the fixed one with the threaded rod that will go back and forth, and this will be used for the removable stop, which will allow us to do from 1 centimeter up to 46, 47 here. Now let's get drilling all the holes that I marked, and then we build the stops. Let's get going. WD-40. I'm not gonna film all the holes. You saw how I'm doing it. One thing you notice, that the drill bit was grabbing here. So when you notice and you're pushing that you're going through, slow down a bit, push a little less, and keep it firmly down. So this should allow you to avoid the grabbing thing, because this, especially if you're drilling with bigger bits, will drag up the whole thing and you can get hurt. So don't do that. One thing I didn't show you is how I mark this. That's how I mark these points to drill the holes. I don't know how you call this in English, but this is very cool. You just take a piece of wood or whatever material you're using, even it works even on steel like this. You press, bam, hammering action inside makes a mark. For the size, instead, for the measure, I'm using just this and then marking with a sharp knife. Especially on mild steel, you have this patina here, so you will see the marks really clearly. Never tried this on clean steel, so I don't know, but it should work anyway. Maybe you just see it a little less. I need to have a fixed part where then I drive a little piece of threaded bar that is long 10 centimeters, and there's a hole every 9 centimeters to put a block on it, so we can squeeze that joints pretty good. So I'm making now the angles to substitute to this prototype, but this I don't trust cutting this way, so I flipped it and I cut it through the other side, trying to align. Can you see the marks? But they were not so much aligned, as you can see. So I'm going ahead now. So it's just a little part. It's not taking a lot of time. It's going to take a couple minutes extra. One thing I want to stress: you see the difference in color between the cut part and the non-cut part. This means the coating is going away because of the high temperatures reached from the part. Be very careful when you cut. Give the wheel its time. Don't push too much. Be safe, guys. Otherwise the fun is over and you win a free trip to ER, which is not nice. So this concludes part 1 of this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like so I can do more of this, and check out the other parts too. See you soon.